Hey guys, how you doing? Steve Donahoe from DCS Sales Marketing, and we're really going to start trying to push YouTube and get subscribers and help people get them, okay? And get people popular and up in that 1,000 subscriber zone so they can get monetized and get at least 4,000 hours of viewing is what is required. But we really need tools to be able to do this, okay? So I've actually purchased two types of tools and I'm going to see how it works. As you know that I'm only about 110 subscribers. As I've said before, I actually had a video channel with YouTube that had over 10,000 subscribers but was suspended. I am starting again from scratch. And what I want to do is see how a person that is new can build up quickly by using tools available that will allow you to socially share your videos and your actual channel. And one of the ones that I want to show you right now was called tubepage.com. And this is actually what I just joined this. I'm going to show you promotion tools to use, and it's up to you whether you want to do it for free and do it limited, or you just want to pay $2 a month to be able to bring yourself and brand yourself and get yourself established as a YouTuber that is going to become more popular because of using tools to help you do it. And this is one of them. It's tubepage.com. And I just looked at this one. And if you don't want to do it, just follow me along and we'll see how we go and how the subscribers go by using these actual available utilities and software that you can get online that will boost you. Simple as that. If you have a look here, you'll see on the front of the page, you can actually put images, you can put your videos, you can put links, and links to anything, to be honest. Advertising, you don't even have to worry about AdSense or anything like that through YouTube itself. By actually promoting this page, you can actually put your own ads in it for $2 a month, which I think is fantastic value. I can advertise my pay-to-click site with a banner, and if you click on that, you'll see that it tells you green as days do lie ahead that I was able to put in. And once you click on that, you could actually go straight to my site or to the actual YouTube page first to see what it's about. Okay. I'll have to change that link because that link should have gone to my actual site. So anyway, you'll see these pages here, that these videos are the ones you can actually present and put whatever you want to put on this actual page. You can change the background to as many types of templates for that $2 a month. It's to me, $2 a month is a cup of coffee. Okay, simple as that. And you can start promoting yourself, okay? You can promote it through Facebook. You can promote it through TikTok. You can promote it through Twitter, or you can promote it through Instagram. That's how you're going to be able to promote it. And you can actually promote it to, am I promoting it to you as a building tool? I am, because I'm actually hoping that you upgrade and you actually get this availability for $2 a month, okay? I see the value in it. Right. And I always present something that to me sticks out with value. And I do invest in myself to be able to make myself successful. Okay. With my business, I actually put money into things and I show people if it works or it doesn't work. Plus, I show ways of actually promoting things for free, how to get traffic for free, all that sort of thing. And all I'm asking you to do is subscribe to me and allow me to grow and show you that you can grow by using these type of tools. Now, there's very important things that you need to understand with YouTube and algorithms and things like that, and SEO, which is search engine optimization. And there's another one that actually I joined as well. And when you look at this page, I'm going to actually put this page on the bottom of this video, of this link here, to go there so you can look at it. And you can actually subscribe through me through this, or you can subscribe through my channel. It doesn't really matter where this video is going to go. You can actually hit subscribe on that, or you can click on this and hit subscribe, and it'll still subscribe with a button that will tell you to subscribe to me. All right. So you'll see as I scroll down, YouTube Buddy. Okay. This is another powerful one. This cost me $4.95 a month, but the reason I use it, the SEO, is literally teaching you how to make your video search engine optimization up to 100% for that amount of money. And you can upgrade. I'm not going to push you into an upsell or anything like that. For the $4.95 a month, am I promoting that? Yes, of course. That's what I do. I'm a promoter, advertising and promotion consultant, affiliation publisher. That's my business. That's what I do. So obviously I'm going to promote it to you. So don't think, oh I'm coming on the site because he's promoting this and all. Well, check my site out is what it's all about, is I'm a promoter, okay? A publishing promoter, affiliate. So I'm obviously going to push things. And if you go on my site, it's all about advertising. That's my business. And I'm not hiding that, okay? I'm not hiding that fact. That's what I do, okay? But when I see people that, like, they present their own links to other companies or other network, like pay-to-click sites or something like that, and they get 148,000 views on it, you really didn't get that personalization. That person was popular because they put the link on it. You're talking to the owner right now of the pay-to-click site. I govern what money you get paid. Doesn't that seem like a better way and a better personal relationship that you can actually speak to the owner right here and now and work together and put your promotions in on my site and things like that, and let me teach you how to promote, just like what I'm doing right now, okay? YouTube Buddy, powerful. Okay, so what this is basically telling you, and this is my account, so you can see my account right now, and I don't hide it. I show that I have accounts for these things. I'm not an affiliate that just is trying to promote something that I don't know anything about when I do know something about it. So what I want to show you, what the power of the actual YouTube Buddy, even for $4.95 a month, okay? You can go up. Like I said, you can upsell and you can go sky high to become a top promoter through actual YouTube Buddy. I'm Tube Buddy, I should say. I myself am happy with what it does. I'm not worrying about that. I have so many different offers that I present to other people and show them how to make money with, okay? So what I just want to kind of show you is one of my videos when I go on my actual YouTube. And we'll look at this one here, okay? You'll see over here on the right-hand side, because I'm with YouTube Buddy, with Tube Buddy here, you'll see the icon is up there, and it's telling me that it has access to the site. Now, you'll see it's loading up here, and you see it's giving you a summary of all the information of how many likes, how many views it's had, or the channel. This is actually channel on that, not the views of the actual. It's had 33 views, and this is just something I put on. I like to play a game, okay, but I'm not showing this. I'm just showing you as an example. All right, so you'll see, you can see if anybody comments on it. The comments will come up here. The likes and the dislikes, it all shows on here. But the most important thing is this here. Do you see this? SEO score, which is search engine optimization score. And this actually does it for you by actually searching for a keyword that is popular on YouTube, which will allow you to get your search engine optimization in the title that you present and the content of the description. By putting keywords in there, allows it to get up. And so my SEO score on here is 99, okay? You can get 100. 99, I don't care about 1%, to be honest. But what I want to just show you is how it works. If I click on this here, you're going to see target keyword, and it'll tell me to get started. and it'll come up with a actual search filter to see, and it'll show me now. You'll see when I put in how to play West Game, you'll see that that's the actual keyword that I used. All right, so we're going to hit start, and I'll just give you an idea what it does. It's going to show you where those keywords were in the title, how to play West Game, and to put in the description, and it tells you exactly what to do. So in order for me to, right now I have a 95% SEO score, which is pretty darn good. All right, I can get it to the 100, but it tells you how to improve your score, and you need to put these are all red, and once you put them all in green, it actually gives the SEO and gives you that percentage up here on that target keyword, how to play West Game. And these are the way you can figure out what actual keywords are going to work, that's going to get you more views on your videos, right? So if we do this and we hit next, you'll see it shows you already the keywords that you can actually do that are relevant, all right? And the score of the actual keyword, of what is relevancy to that keyword, should tell you like a score number. Now, it really hasn't given me like on that. It says include your exact target keywords as the first tag. So in other words, the first tag here, how to play West Game, that's the first tag. So if you hit add now, look, it just went up to 100%. You see that? Because I didn't do that before. But now I have 100% search engine optimization score of 100%. So that's good. Okay. That means that anybody that comes in, there's a good chance that they're going to see my video through that. When Google actually puts it into the search engine optimization, and when people actually see it, it's going to bring it higher up on the ranks of the search engine list. When you search for something, you see the list of where it is, and the more you have a percentage higher, the higher you got the list, so you get your site seen better. All right, simple. Layman term, search engine optimization is just allowing you to have the search engines of Google be able to spider, what they call, look for all the information and bring you up on a higher level so you're seen better. All right, that's all it is. Okay, so now I've got 100%, so I'm going to hit next. And you'll see now that West Game is here. Now, it's only had 33 views, okay? This one, look at this one's had 5,070 views. I don't know how long it's been there for. This one's had 45,000 views. Now, this can come, but it requires sharing, okay? To be able to get all these hits and everything like that, you need to put it on social media and things like that in order to get these crazy hits that they get, all right? And like I said, I don't know how long it's been there. I only put this on a few weeks ago. So, but it's showing you all the keywords here of when people actually type it into the title searching, and it'll bring it up high for them to have a look at it. All right. So once we hit that, we're going to hit next, and then it'll say yes, apply to my video now. So you apply to your video. So it's populating, and it's telling me now optimization successfully applied. Close the SEO Studio, and then you save all the information. Okay. So now if we go back to the actual information on it, when we're seeing it, the start of it, and we got one extra view because of doing that. And you'll see right now, the optimization now has gone to 100. Okay. You see that? And you can do that for each keyword that you actually put in, which gives you more filtering and more understanding of what keywords are going to work and what more viewing is going to be able to present through the algorithms of YouTube. And this just shows you the information of what it's all about. So I pay $4.95 a month for it. Honestly, would like you? I'll put a link on that actual. Excuse me for a minute. Just got to knock some things out of here. But tuberpage.com will be on the link on the bottom of this video that I'm actually doing, and you can click on that and you can see how it works. Okay. I think it's a powerful tool and I think it's going to work, but watch me and see my subscribers if they actually start getting in a year. 2 years I got 10,000 subscribers. I only have 110 right now over the last 40 days since I actually started this channel up. All right, so it's going a little bit slow, but overall you've got to work on the 1% to 5% of the actual amount of time and views and things like that. You're not going to get people coming in like 100 subscribers a day. You're just not going to get it. All right, you got to just wait for it. The more you advertise, the more you share, the more you put it on social media, the more you put it on things for eyes to see, then the more views you're going to get. And in fact, once the views are getting higher, then subscribers will come more. But subscribers are very picky in what they want to see. Okay. So in order to get subscribers requires you to share. When you see it and say, oh, I like this, I might share it to someone else. And now if you share it to 5 people, it happens what you call a 5-tier system. You will share it to 5 people. That person will share that to 5 people. Then that person will share it to 5 people. And it builds up quickly with that tier system. Okay? So anyway, that's just the... Dad. Hang on. Huh? Okay, I got to go. All right.